Hi children, you have already learned how to locate root 2 and root 3 on the number line. Do you remember how to do it? Okay, now let us see how to locate root 5 on the number line. Okay, first of all, we know that root 5 is equal to square root of 2 square plus 1 square. We can split 5 in this way. We can split root 5 as root of 2 square plus 1 square. So, in order to locate root 5, we have to consider a triangle, right-angled triangle with sides as 2 and 1. Because in right-angled triangle already we learned hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to root of side square plus side square or base square plus height square. You can say in that way also. So, here in order to get, first of all, what we want to do, actually it is asked to locate a root 5. So, we will split root 5 as 2 square plus 1 square. So now we have to draw a triangle with base as 2 and height as 1 unit. Base 2 unit and height 1 unit. Then that triangle's hypotenuse will be equal to root 5. Okay. Okay, let me draw the number line. Okay, to make it more clear, I will make it somewhat bigger by taking 2 units as 2 centimeter as 1 unit. Okay, all the markings should be of equal distance. When you are drawing the number line, you should be very careful for that. Okay, so I have taken 2 centimeter as 1 unit. Okay, so let us mark the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This side -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay. Now, what did I say you? We have to draw a right-angled triangle with 2 unit as base. That means this much distance as base. Let us call it as AB. Okay, the base as AB. So at B we want 90 degree. So you have to take a 90 degree at B because we want the right angled triangle only, you know. So point out 90 degree and we can draw it with dotted lines. So AB is the base and let us take the height as 1 unit. We want the height 1 unit. So we want to mark 1 unit. This only 1 unit. Is it? Okay, this much distance only 1 unit. This total is, so this is 2 units. So this is 1 unit. Everything is 1 unit. The distance between the two marking is 1 unit. So let us take 1 unit on this perpendicular line. Okay. Now the height is 1 unit and the base is 2 units. This is 1 unit. That means BC is 1 unit and AB is 2 units. Now join A and C. So you know that AC is hypotenuse. Why AC is hypotenuse? Because AC is the side opposite to 90 degree. Always in a right angled triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So AC is equal to, we know that AC is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to square root of base square. Base how much? 2 square. Plus height square. Height how much? 1 square. So it's equal to root 5. So this distance is root 5. Okay. So this much distance is root 5. This hypotenuse is root 5. So show this much distance on the number line. This point is root 5. Okay, understand. This point is root 5. These are where it touches the number line. This point only, no? This is root 5. So we can show root 5 on the number line in this manner. If it is asked root of minus 5, what you will do? Okay, minus root 5. If the question is locate minus root 5, that question also asked in your textbook. What you will do? The same thing you will draw to this side. Okay, here we have taken the positive side of the number line. If you want to show minus root 5, we have to show to the left side of the number line. You have to take these 2 units. This as to the base. Then here we will take the height, 1 centimeter height. Sorry, 1 unit height. And we will get the hypotenuse like this. That one we will show this side. This side we will get to positive. And this side, whatever we are noting down, this side we will get to the negative numbers. So if negative numbers, negative rational numbers are asked, that also we can show in this way. Okay. Now you have to try for different rational numbers, how to represent these numbers on the number line. Go on with more and more examples. Okay.